Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Control Center because that's the quickest route. Tap the crescent moon to turn Do Not Disturb off. This immediately restores calls and alerts. Once done, go to Settings Focus to confirm whether a scheduled focus or automation is re-enabling it. Make sure you disable any schedule you don't want and check Allowed People and Apps so notifications behave as expected. Now you dive into the focus profile itself to find why Do Not Disturb keeps coming back. You'll review allowed notifications, remove any app or contact that shouldn't be silenced. Then inspect home screen and lock screen options because they can hide badges or dim notifications. Finally, tap Automation to detect time-based or location triggers. Disable any automation you don't recognize so the mode. To finish, restart your iPhone to ensure the changes take effect. A quick reboot clears lingering state. If Do Not Disturb still reappears, update iOS because a software bug may be responsible. Make sure to test calls and messages after each step. If none of this works, reset focus settings in Settings Focus or reach out to Apple support. Troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable share across devices in Focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.